EDAP Classroom. How to add subjects. Once added students, next a teacher should add their subjects. From the dashboard, click on Add Subjects. There you should see the assigned class and you can click on that. Here, the teacher is assigned to 10B. Just like previous interfaces, we can see the same green Add button here. While clicking that Add button, you will have to enter the name of your subject in there. If you need to add more subjects, you just need to click on our green Add screen once more. From here, you can add as many subjects as you want.